So hello and welcome to another video. So this is another unboxing. So this is a model from Volks Incorporated. It's the RBR-14 Fei-Yen Kn. So this is from the game Cyber Troopers Ritual on Oratorio Tamburine. And it's a 1:100 scale. And this is designed by none other by Katoki Hajime, one of the well-known designers of the Gundam series. So this is particularly a game that was made by Sega. So this features robot fighters which you can choose to fight and use the sticks to control the cyber troopers or the virtual ride. So let's go over to the packaging. So in front it's the CG rendition of Fei-Yen Kn. On the side you have some description of Fei-Yen, so specs, and then some action poses here. And then on here is the front and back images. I think this is the finished build already in here. So let's open this baby up. And so upon opening you'll see the runners. And let's get to the manual. So I already have built one other Volks model kit, which is of the same line. So it's from the same game actually. It's engine, and to tell you honestly, I do not like the build experience when it comes to building Volks models. It's very intricate, but it's nothing like building a Bandai kit wherein it's all snap fit, everything. You don't need glue for it. This one you might need glue on some parts. You might need to do some modifications. So this is not for the beginner builder. This is something more intermediate to advanced. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the manual. So in the manual, on the first page, you see there's some write-ups about Fei-Yen. You have the parts list. And then you have the instructions, how to build it, the paint guide, and then the logo of the game, which is the Oratorio Tamburine. Okay, so when it comes to runners, we have 1A, B, system parts. Oh, okay, so this is interesting. We put in the number of parts for runner. We have C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, and L. So let's go through all of the runners. Just gonna put it here. Right there. So we're starting with runner A. Runner A is in purple. This is runner B, same. I think purple and violet, yeah. Then you have runner C. Surprisingly, they came in the alphabetical order. So you have runner C in white. And then you have runner D and E, both in white. You have, okay, so this is where it all deviated. You have runner G, which is in gray. You have runner H, also in gray. The polycaps for runner L. Runner J is in kind of like a darker orange or marmalade. Runner F, which is white. And this is the sword. And then in one plastic is the runner I in orange, and then runner K, which are your clear red parts. Yeah, so this is quite a short build. So yeah, I'll be building this soon if I have the courage to ever touch this kit, because I really didn't have a fun experience when building Volks parts. So that's it for today's video. Bye!